Hey everybody, my name is Rick and this is the Weekend Woodshop. Earlier this year, I put out a video for some DIY track saw guides that I use to break down sheet goods here in the shop. I use them all the time, but they do have one drawback. They don't like to stay in place without some type of clamping mechanism. So usually I'll use some F-clamps, but these do have a drawback, and that is that they sometimes will have too high of a profile, then they interfere with the motor housing on the side of the saw. Now there's a couple of ways that we can fix this. Today I'm going to show you my solution. So let's get to it. I picked up these Wen 6-inch quick release track saw clamps a while back to use for this project. I'll put a link in the description below if you're interested in getting a set of your own. So now let's adapt these guides to accommodate the clamps. My plan was to use either this dovetail or this keyhole router bit to make the slot in the bottom of the guides. After testing each type of slot, it looks like the T-slot or the keyhole bit will give the best fit. I use a 1/4-inch straight bit first to clear out the majority of the material that we need to remove, and then the keyhole bit to give it the profile that we want. With that, the upgrade is done. Now we can line the guide up with our piece of work, lock them down, and make the cut without worrying that the guide will shift on us. Thank you for watching. Thank you to my patrons, and please subscribe for more videos. Have a great weekend.